Welcome to my channel, Mr.Legend's here. How y'all been doing? Now, I know the last video got deleted because I ended up with a copyright claim. And my best guess is from some song, but oh well, I'll get that fixed. And today, I am doing this video with a friend of mine. And go ahead and introduce yourself.
I'm an esteemed guest, get it fucking right. It is me, Fromp, 431. You go search my name, make sure my videos are more popular than his, but let's get into it for now.
Hey, you're only more popular than me because I just started. So,
Okay, let's get on to the video.
Alright.
What are we doing today?
Today, we are playing Would You Press the Button? There's a lot of good questions for this game. I love it.
Yeah, they're fun.
Alright. So,
Alright, ready to get into this?
Yeah, I'm ready. Let's get straight into this. So,
Alright, you go first.
Alright. Would you press the button? You get a mighty hero, or you get to be a mighty hero, but the dark spawn and blood magic become real. Would you press the button?
Yeah, so I'm a mighty hero, right?
Yep.
So how strong is this my hero? I'm assuming he's like a really strong guy. Or
Yeah,
girl.
he's like a
I'm
powerful
judging.
guy.
I mean, I'd be a powerful woman too, so...
Oh, yeah?
I'd press the button. I'd press it.
Press it? Alright.
I'd press it.
What about you? But the dark spawn and blood magic become real. I mean, I'd press the button. Why not, you know? I mean, if the dark spawn and blood magic become real, that just means you get to fight, you know?
Hell yeah. Get a fight? It's that bear and chicken question. Would you rather fight a bear once a year or always have to fight a chicken every time you get into your car? So, we all know the right answers here.
Yeah. So 54% of people would press the button, 46% people would not.
I mean, I can see why. They don't want to fight something like that. I can see why.
Yeah.
Alright.
What you got?
Alright. Would you press the button? You will be able to live anywhere in space, but never on Earth. Would you press the button?
Yes. Hands down, yes, I love space.
And we all know there's some alien cooch out there. We would all want to smash. So I'm gonna say fuck yes. Yeah. I would press the button. Wow. Only 42% of people press the button. That's crazy. And 58% of people did not.
Wow, that is crazy. Alright. Would you press the button? Huh?
Oh, sorry, I was just monologuing. Go for it.
Oh, you're good. Would you press the button? Everything is fine, but you can only wear your birthday suit for the rest of your life. Oh.
Everything is fine.
You know what your birthday suit is, right?
Yes, I know what my birthday suit is.
Butt ass naked.
I'm not gonna say no. I'm down to go stark ass naked. I'm down. I don't know about you.
You know,
I accept my roles.
I mean, if everything is fine, then no one's going to give a shit that you're naked.
Exactly.
So yeah, I'd press the button.
Yeah. Huh. If everything's fine, it doesn't matter.
Yeah. This is kind of surprising to me. 57% of people pressed the button, 43% of people did not.
Well, some people aren't comfortable with their small willies. I, on the other hand, am very comfortable with the centimeter defeater cub, so we're good.
The 1-inch destroyer. Let's go.
Alright. Here's my question. Would you press the button? You get 10 damn gigabytes of internet to your home. But you live in a black neighborhood in the inner city Detroit.
Bro, no way that's actually the question.
I'm dead ass, that's the question.
I did not think this app would get racist immediately. Okay.
I mean, it's not really racist. It's just you live in a black neighborhood in inner city Detroit. So it's not really a racist question.
All your shit gonna get stolen.
10 gigabytes of internet is really fucking good.
It is. But your shit gonna get stolen.
Fair enough. I mean, I don't think I'll press the button, no.
I'm not pressing the button. I mean, I'd rather be able to choose where I live anyways, though.
Yeah. Internet, you can get internet.
Yeah, like and I'm fine with the internet that we got nowadays. Sort of.
Yeah. Alright. 40% of people pressed the button. 60% did not.
There we go.
Man, people are really wanting the internet for those hentai games.
Each semester. I like that students are able to express themselves.
Okay.
Yeah, for real, man. Alrighty. Would you press the button? You can travel anywhere in the world for 1 week every year, but you You
know, since you want to go around acting goofy, I think you deserve a certified clown license.
Oh, your immediate family members will never get to travel again for the rest of their lives. Ooh.
So I can travel anywhere in the world for 1 week out of the year, but my family cannot travel anywhere themselves.
Bye-bye, Grandma.
So you want to say yes to
that? Yeah. I mean, my family doesn't even travel really anyways.
Fair enough.
Like, the most a family member travels, which would be my grandpa, is, like, to Tulsa. You know, like,
Not very far.
Yeah. So it's not really traveling, it's just going to the neighborhood.
Okay.
Alright. I think I didn't see the percentages. However, it looked like there was more green than red, so I'm pretty sure more people pressed the button than wouldn't.
Okay. Alright. To my question. Will you press the button? Speak 8 languages of your choosing, but never get to see Ryan Reynolds' sexiest nudes of all time.
You just made that up, didn't you?
No, deadass. That's on my end.
Okay, so you get what now?
Speak 8 languages of your own choosing, but you'll get Ryan Reynolds' sexy nudes.
Come here, Ryan. I don't know. That's tough. I would honestly like to learn the 8 languages, so I'd press the button.
All right, fair enough. I honestly, I mean, it's Ryan Reynolds. How often are you going to see him naked? But yeah, I'd learn 8 languages. I could seduce Ryan in Japanese, I think. Yeah, I'll press it.
Well, I just thought of something.
What?
You know how much his nudes could sell for?
Fucking shit ton money, probably.
Yo, they'll sell for more than Bella Thorne's OnlyFans.
Yo, her shit. On the first day, she got $1 million or some shit.
For real. Yo, you can get like $2 million just for Ryan Reynolds' penis. Penis pic.
Alright, let's get off that subject and go on to the next question.
Alright, yep. Alright, my question. Would you press the button? The Holocaust never happens, but neither does civil rights movement.
Okay. Well, the Holocaust didn't happen, or the Soul. Okay. That's hard.
Yeah. I mean, in my opinion, things happen in history for a reason. And when you change something in history, it could really change how we evolve and whatnot. So, I'd say no. I'm not pressing the button on this one.
Okay, well, here's how I see it. I mean, it obviously can change the future if it doesn't happen. Something will change, something is different. So, I wouldn't press the button either. I would not.
Alright, yeah.
Alright. What's the percentages?
Wow.
What?
Okay. So 32% of people pressed the button, 68% did not.
Wow.
So,
And 30 people.
yeah, those 32 people are just like, oh god.
All right. My turn.
Yep.
Would you press the button? You make a critically praised movie, but it flops the box office and won't be a classic. Okay.
Ooh, so you make a good movie, but it doesn't sell? Is that right?
At the box office. Yeah.
At the box office. Ooh. So in other words, you can be really good at what you're doing, but it doesn't sell good.
No, it means that no one watched it.
I mean, oh shit. Yeah, nah. Because if you're going to make something and then no one watches it, then, like, what's the point? So, I say no. I'm not pressing the button.
No? Okay.
No.
Wow! 44% didn't press the button. Wait, 44% did press the button.
Oh.
And 66% did not.
Wow. Okay, so we have one time for me and you both to do one more.
Okay. Go shoot your shot.
Alright, would you press the button? You will find true love, but you lose your sense of smell and hearing. Yo, true love is so rare these days.
Okay, you lose your sense of smell and hearing, you said, right?
Yeah.
I can lose my sense of smell and be okay. Hearing is a different story. I need to hear stuff. I hate having to hear shit.
Right.
But for true love, how will they communicate with you if you can't hear them?
Yes, dang, true love will guide them. It's all in the power of love, man.
You know, I'd push the button. I'd figure it out. We would use paper and pen. I'll figure out sign language.
Yeah. And at least that'll be someone loyal that will never cheat on you, you know?
Fair enough.
Alright. Oh, what?
What is the rating?
Bruh. This is why true love is so rare. 30% of people would press the button. 70% of people would not.
Wow, you people don't want to lose your hearing, so you can't watch your movies. You can watch the subtitles, you insensitive piece of shit.
Bruh.
Okay. Now, let's get on to my question. You can have true love, but the world blows up after 1 year.
Ooh. So, essentially, either be selfish or save the world.
Yeah. Okay, here's my thing. My hero complex is like, well, I could do it. I don't have to have true love. But true love is so hard to come by. And, I'm just kind of like, maybe we could press the button?
I'd say no.
Would. Why?
Wait, no, I wouldn't. I'd say no. Not going to find true love and not going to destroy the world.
Okay. Let's see what the percentages are. Okay, the percentages are... Wow, it's a 50-50 split.
What? So people would rather destroy the world than lose their sense of hearing and smell?
Apparently. That's crazy.
Well, that's all we got time for today.
Okay. Thanks for having me on here on your YouTube channel.
No problem. I'll link his channel down in the description below, as long as I can get that figured out. And see y'all next time. Bye.